This conversation, I've looked forward to having this conversation, since a long time, and I'm happy I finally have that opportunity. The Igbos and the Yoruba, we have a very unique relationship, right? Let us face it. I know many parents that will be genuinely heartbroken that their children get married to an Igbo, for example, or an Igbo children gets married to a Yoruba. They will be genuinely heartbroken, genuinely depressed. I know many Igbo people that will say they will never marry a Yoruba person. And I know many Yorubas that will say they will never marry an Igbo person. So now let us talk. Is there anything at all that you like about Yoruba people? I'll start from you, and I'll ask you too, what is that one thing about Yoruba people that you like? And I will also say one thing that I like about the Igbo people. Let's start from there. Okay, ladies first.
Okay. So one of the very first things I love about the Yoruba people is the way they carry their language with so much pride. Yes. Our Igbo parents would always tell us, look at the Yorubas. They speak their language. No matter where they are, they will always...
Really? And we, the Yorubas, are complaining that our people are not speaking our language.
No, I think you people, to a very large extent, to the very best of my knowledge as well, do it better than the Igbo people.
Oh. Yeah, it's just like when you go to like the market, the Yoruba woman do not care.
He doesn't care.
She just starts to speak the language. You get? She just starts. She doesn't care who they are. She just starts to speak. So it's your responsibility to go and learn it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Like you?
Me. Yeah, I like Yoruba spirituality a lot. Yeah. I like the Yoruba spirituality and the Yoruba spirituality, I'm very, very intrigued about it. I used to always try my best to like follow up. At least you saw like when you were talking about Oshun, how I was very, very like interested in it. Yeah. So I like the Yoruba spirituality a lot, and I have plenty of Yoruba friends because like I went to a government school here in Lagos. Legba Junior Grammar School. Yeah, so...
I went to mention one thing that I love about the Igbo people. I think it would be because I've read a lot of Achebe. Achebe doesn't write a page without infusing a lot of
Igbo
proverbs. The kind of proverbs. It was in Achebe's book that I read that he that must swallow the udala seed must consider the size of his anus.
Yes.
So I love the proverbs a lot. The language. I think that's probably why I'm so invested in a lot of Igbo writers. My favorite novelist, for example. So yes, if I'm to mention another thing, that would be the Igbo literature. Yeah, I love reading a lot of Igbo literature. I've read Buchi Emecheta, all her works. Chimamanda, Flora Nwakpa, Chukwuemeka Ike, Chinua Achebe. All of these beautiful writers. So the Igbo people have a way with language, right? And that's very evident in the novels. Okay, now let's go to the differences.
Okay.
What you people don't have respect.
Yoruba people greet a lot. They greet an awful lot.
You people have no respect.
How would you say?
I was in school one day. I was in school one day. There was this friend of mine, right? And then he said his father was coming to visit him and all of that. Yeah. So the father came eventually, and we didn't know he was the father. We just saw him talking to one man, and then they shook hands. He was the one who extended the hand. The other man received it, and they just had some chat, and after it all, he said, "Oh, that was my dad." I was like, waiting, I don't understand. You extended a handshake to your dad, and he received it. I would have been dead if I did that to my own father. If I bow down to my father like this, he would give me a knock on the head. Like, why are you bowing down to like that? But you guys don't have you don't have respect.
We do. I think to and for the Igbo people, many times it's about how you honor the person. Most times it's in the tone, how you greet. You don't have to always kneel.
Genuflect.
Yeah, although we kneel too. We kneel.
Do you kneel?
Yeah, we do.
Oh,
like women.
Oh,
Is it new or like they just
Bow
You just
somehow,
bow
so,
a little
so
so they
you
can
just
touch.
pass
No,
them
Yoruba
back.
land, your knees must
No,
be on the
your
ground.
knees must not get except
I'm not
you
sure if
wish.
your knee will get to the ground.
Except you wish to.
Yeah, I'm not
Wow,
sure.
that's a shock, man.
I
That's
sent
a
you
huge
a
shock to
video,
me.
right?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, I
that
sent
one
you
is
a video.
exaggerated.
The girl was always just
That one is.
calm
That's
down. Just,
You know what? I mean, even in Yoruba land, if you are older than me, I address you in the plural.
All right.
I won't use the singular for you.
how?
We are so big on respect.
How do you do it?
Like if it's like in English language, saying they for one person instead of him or her, because he's older than me. So if I say, if instead of saying she has given it to me, I will say they have given it to me.
Remember when, like I said, I went to like a government school, like a Yoruba government school. They loved Yoruba day like mad. Like left to those guys, if you use Yoruba to teach maths, they love Yoruba here. So like I was like inside like the culture. So because like how we used to actually greet teachers, you have to like bow and all of that. So I went to see like my grandpa for the first time. And I like tried to bow. And my grandpa was like, woke him out. Do you get? So him now then said, if I want to greet him, that I should stand erect to greet him. And he's older than me by far.
Stand erect.
Yes, that
that's
I have
an
to like.
abomination. Where I'm from. Stand erect to greet who? That's an abomination. You know, it's so serious that I could be a king, right, as a young man, and an elderly man would have to prostrate before me because I am the king.
Right.
Somebody who is old enough to. It would be my own choice to tell him no or go ahead. You understand? But he's obligated to do it because of who I am. I'm the Kabiyesi.
Wow.
Okay, now let me ask you this one. Don't lie. Between Yoruba men and Igbo men, who sweet pass?
I haven't been with a lot of men, so I can't.
Now lie, talk. Now you should be having who sweet pass. Who is sweeter between the Yoruba and the Yoruba men
Sweet in
and
what
Igbo?
aspect?
I mean, who is more romantic? Who is gentler? Who is
I've only been with Igbo men. I've only been with Igbo men, so I can't.
It's just that I won't be able to ask him this question. But it's okay. Let me reverse it for you now. Between Igbo women and Yoruba women, who sweet pass?
I need to tell you. I try to see like before I have like something like very serious with somebody, right? I go gas observe. Yeah. So like I no go won't like enter into like anything with somebody will be say.
And this man is going to be very polygamous. You know many of your videos where you have talked about polygamy.
Yes, that. Yeah, I'm only like 3 wives.
Why though? Why? You have a reason. You have a reason for it.
What is why?
I mean, that's the norm. That should be the norm. Like, that should have been the norm. Actually, you should be asking why don't I want to have
yes, yes. Why not?
Exactly. Yeah. Why not? That's the question.
So how many will you marry?
You said at least 3.
At least 3.
Yeah, like 3, like my grandpa. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
My father had 2.
Okay. My father has 1.
It works out. It works. It actually works. Man.
Wow, interesting.
You say 1, 2, 3.
Interesting. Like, your name, for example, is
Arinze Chukwu.
Arinze Chukwu. It means
thank Chukwu.
In Yoruba land, we have Oluwaseun, right? Which means thank Oluwa.
Okay.
But then, what has happened to Chukwu is the same that has happened to Oluwa.
Okay, where Chukwu now becomes God.
Yeah. Now Oluwa is used for Jesus and God and all of that, but originally it was never so. You know, when you heard Olu in a person's name, it was never anything that has to do with God. Yeah. But now it's totally different. So we have names like Oluwaseun, Oluwatobi. You know, what's your own name? Ijeoma. Please, seize this opportunity to educate us about your name. I think it has, the meaning is very poetic. So please go ahead.
My name's?
No, just the Ijeoma.
Just the Ijeoma. Okay. Ijeoma is safe journey, safe trip. And to me, it's more figurative than literal. So I believe that I am on the earth, you know.
So the name is more like saying
it's wishing me
well in the journey of life.
The journey of my life.
Oh, Ijeoma, may you travel well.
Travel well, yes.
Wow, that's really poetic. you know,
it's very personal.
yes,
It's not
the child,
about
like
my
you have come
parents,
here,
it's
may your
about
journey here, you know, be
smooth.
filled with ease. You know,
Yes.
you have an easy. Oh wow, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, good. Now, I'm going to give you some Yoruba proverbs to say, and you are going to give me some some Igbo proverbs to say.
That will be for Ijoma.
Okay. Shakata parala and siton.
Shakara parara. Did I get it? I'm close now. I'm close. I'm doing well.
Okay, let me give you something easier.
Okay.
You say, Aki gbọ́ kúkú òjò ká domi agbádànù.
Akiki. What?
Aki gbọ́ kúkú òjò ká domi agbádànù.
Aki. Bo. What?
Jesus.
I keep losing it.
Aki gbọ́ kúkú òjò ká domi agbádànù.
Aki bo kuku oju.
Ká do omi agbádànù.
Danu.
You're even doing better.
Danu.
Your tongue.
Danu.
Oh yeah, now give me the proverb.
Okay. Ewu bonye we fear.
Simple now. Why did you like that?
Guy, you don't bastardize the language.
But that was actually close though. We fear.
I still try pass you now.
Or even though.
Oh yeah, let me give you something easy now too. Bami no more mi kò dénú ọlọ́mọ.
Bami what?
This woman will never be able to speak Yoruba.
I will try my best. I'm trying my best.
Bami no more mi kò dénú ọlọ́mọ.
Bami no mi ko what? Koye?
Ben.
No,
It's a lie.
It's a lie.
Ba no more mi ò dénú ọlọ́mọ.
Bami no mi.
What about you try?
Olomo.
Say it again.
Bami no more mi kò dénú ọlọ́mọ.
Bami no more mi kò dénú ọlọ́mọ.
No be
Igbo have mastered my mouth.
Oh yeah, you give me one.
Okay. Abushi bo tele amulaku.
Abushi bo tege.
Mba otele.
Amushi. Abushi bo tele otelamilako. Didn't I get it? You say it. Abushi
bo tele otelamulaku.
Okele.
Mba otele na nyash.
Otele na nyash. What it gonna be ukwu?
Ukwu na like waist. So if they say ukwu wanyi owere means owere woman waist.
Oh, ukwu wanyi. Wanyi is woman. I know that one. I know Agadi wanyi. In Chino Achebe's things fall apart. Yeah, wanyi is woman. I remember that one. Which proverb do I give to her now? Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ wo kòkó yè tán, ó wá digi burúkú lójú olóko.
Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ yẹn tètè tán.
No be Toto, I know you're Toto.
You dey give her the hard ones. It's too long now. Very complicated.
Ó dà àgbà tí ò farabalẹ̀ afaragbẹ́gbá.
Àgbà tí ò farabalẹ̀.
Afaragbẹ́gbá. Hey, that last part. That was smooth. Collect am. Àgbà tí ò farabalẹ̀ afaragbẹ́gbá.
Àgbà tí ò farabalẹ̀. No, àgbà tí ò farabalẹ̀ wá faragbẹ́gbá.
This man, you have a future in this Yoruba journey. Like,
No,
you have a future.
Maybe my third wife will be Yoruba.
He said I told my Oh yeah, give me one last one. Then we'll call it a wrap.
Okay. Onyawo nawo hia nefu.
Onyawo nawo hia nefu. Onyawo nawo hia nefu.
Don't be fool you.
Onyawo nawo hia nefu. Those of us in the same region, our languages are actually under the Kwa group. Okay. So we speak, similar languages. There are a lot of, similar things that we share generally. Yeah. For instance, what do you call stone?
Okute.
We call it okuta.
Right.
What do you call water?
Mmiri.
We call it omi. What do you call spirit?
Mo.
Ours is emi. What do you call ear?
Nti.
Eti. What do you call mouth?
Onu.
Enu. And what do you call a goat?
Ewu.
Ewure.
Right.
Do you get that now? There's this other one too. What do you call a rooster, a cock?
Okuko, yes, Okuko.
Ours is akuko.
Okay.
Do you see what I'm saying now? You understand? What do you call a bag?
Akpa.
Akpo.
Akpo. Okay.
What do you call a box?
Akpati.
Akpoti. You call it akpoti?
Yeah.
Do you get that now? Also, what do you call the divine spirit?
Is it like Chi or Chuku or Keyo?
Olisa.
Olisa, right?
Yes.
We have Orisha.
Oh, okay, yeah, Olisa.
We have
And
Orisha. And Orisha is, transcendental human beings. They are beyond, they are just higher than the mortals.
Okay.
You understand? So they could be the deities, they could be somebody who is extraordinary, they could be the divine spirit, but Olisa, Orisha. What is the Igbo word for fever?
Iba.
Our own is Iba.
Right.
The same word.
Same word.
Same word.
We call it Iba. Abi? We call it Iba. You call it Iba. What do you call a rat?
Okay.
Okay, Abi?
Yeah.
Our own is Eku. You understand? Okay. Eh? Okete. Yeah, that's true. Okay, okete. We just added a T to it, like the tail. That's what I did there now.
Don't leave me.
Don't leave me, bro. No, you can leave me. Don't leave me. No, you leave me, bro. Leave me. Wow. I'm so glad. I'm so happy we've done this. And I look forward to doing more.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Look forward to doing more. Please, let's do this again. Over and over and over and over again. The next time, your dress is going to be an agbada.
Abi.
And I'm going to have the Mazi what now?
Okay.
Wow.
Akupe.
Yes, Akupe.
Yeah. So let's plan towards that. And your gele is going to be bigger than that of Mama Nike. So thank you very much, guys.
Thank you so much.
I really look forward to more of this.
Dalu.
What Dalu, right? Washere, Kedu, Odima. What else?
Jessica.
Eleanor.